Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data and tools. Back up critical files to an external drive or cloud and confirm the copy works. Next, create Windows 10 recovery media on a USB of at least 8 GB so you can restore if needed. Also, note any product keys and make sure you have the alternate OS installer or bootable media ready. Once done, reboot into BIOS/UEFI and set USB as the first boot device so the uninstallation process can begin. You boot from the alternate OS or installer USB and follow its setup prompts. When prompted for installation location, delete the Windows partitions, typically the large C, partition plus any small system or recovery partitions, and then create or format partitions as required. Make sure to choose the correct drive, double-check sizes and labels. The reason is to remove the Windows boot files and registry, otherwise remnants can interfere. After partitioning, proceed with the new OS install or power off if you're finished. You finish by installing the new operating system or restoring your disk image, then complete the post-install setup. Create user accounts and update drivers. Reinstall essential applications and verify devices like Wi-Fi and GPU work. If you encounter boot issues, use the Windows Recovery USB or the installer's repair tools to rebuild the bootloader or run automatic repairs. This fixes missing BCD entries and prevents endless boot loops. If problems persist, check BIOS settings for correct drive mode and retry rebuilding the partition table before asking for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.